So coming into the crypto space, you will notice that some tokens are worth $60,000. Some other tokens are worth 0.000001. And as a newbie who is just coming in, you don't have much cash. Maybe you just come in with your $10, $50, $100 to $1,000. And you will be tempted to say, if I buy this one that is cheap, when it gets to $1, I'm made for life. But the saddest part is that in the world of crypto, the worth of a token is not determined by the price of the pieces of the token, or a particular token is being determined by the market capitalization. That is the total worth of that token. So for you to be able to calculate your market cap, you have to know the circulating supply of that token. You may ask me, where will I see the circulating supply? You could go to CoinMarketCap, you could go to CoinGecko, and you could check their white paper on their website. You will see the total circulating supply. And then, for example, like Ice Blockchain, if you check their website, you should be able to see the circulating supply of their token. And then after you know circulating supply, you now pick one of the tokens, and then you now multiply it by the current circulating supply. It's going to give you the worth of the token. For example, so the true worth of a token is not determined by a single price of it. It's determined by the total market capitalization. If you are still confused, just imagine it like a giant pizza, and then the price you are seeing are the pieces of that pizza being sliced and shared. And you may really wonder, why is it that market cap really matters when I want to invest in crypto? It's because, number one, there are two types of tokens, the lower caps and the higher caps. For example, Bitcoin has only 21 million supply. That is why it's going higher and higher every day with other fundamentals, not just because of the supply though. And then higher caps, that is big caps, their market cap runs into millions, and they are safe. Literally not safe haven though, they can crash, but they are safe because they can't be manipulated easily, they can't vanish overnight, they have been proven over time to be stable. They are like ships, they move slowly. But you see, for lower caps, they are like speedboats. They can make you rich overnight with your little funds because they are very cheap and you bought them at that early stage when no one believed in them. But the problem with lower caps is that they can vanish overnight. We have seen many lower caps vanish, thousands, and we have seen many move to larger caps. For example, like Ice Blockchain is currently a low cap, and I've seen the potential and I did the right thing, but I'm not asking anyone to do anything. So if you want to invest, first sit down. If you are a type that doesn't want to take larger risks, then you have the high caps like Solana, XRP, Atos, SEO, SEO of all people. And then, but if you are eyeing for lower caps, I won't mention names because this is not financial advice. But if you want to know more, you can say I want to know more in the comment section. This is part of my 30-day series, and my best advice to every newbie is that do not just invest because the price is cheap. Check for the fundamentals, check what they are building, and then check the total supply, because the supply really matters whether to go to the $1 you're ever dreaming of or not. Because no matter the product they are building, if the supply is too large, going to the top to that price you are dreaming of will be very, very hard, because sometimes the cap may be bigger than the entire money in the crypto space, so it cannot get there. Share this video. Catch you in the next one. Thank you.